You don't have to say it, but what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna fit inside a suitcase.
That suitcase.
Yes.
My lovely assistant will now sit in a suitcase. Make yourself comfortable. There you go. Atta girl.
Go, Lily.
Okay.
Come help me
Fetal
out.
position.
Huh? Come help me. Yeah.
Can you help?
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
I think we're. He's gonna fit better.
I can breathe.
She's inside a suitcase. Now we could sneak her in through airport security. Lydia, how tall are you?
Like 5'1", 2.
So if you guys are 5'1" or 2, you guys could probably fit inside a suitcase.
I still think we should put this on YouTube.
We have to.
You have to do that on my birthday.
Yeah, we can't until she's 18.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
Which is tomorrow.
Wave bye to the camera, Lydia. Wave bye to the camera.
Let's see what else I could fit in.